Our next topic is addition of integers. How do we add the two integers? That is, how do we add positive and negative numbers? We will discuss now. If you see page number 125, there in bold alphabets, bold statements are given. These statements are the rules which tell us how to add the integers. These statements I will tell you in a short form. Here it is written, na? You see, you add when you have two positive integers. What does this line mean? This means that when we have two positive integers, we will add both of them. For example, if we have plus 5 and we have plus 9. Okay, when we have two positive integers, we will add them like this. Got it, na? And sign also we will put of plus only. Then next point, you see, you also add when you have two negative integers. Now when we have two negative integers, for example, we have minus 4 and we have minus 9. When we have two negative integers, that time also we will add them. 9 and 4 we will add. This is your rule. Rule for integer says that when we have two negative integers, that time also we will add them. Clear? Then you see, you also add when you have two negative integers, but the answer will take a minus sign. This is the point which we have to note down. Okay, when we have two negative integers, we will add them for sure, but in the answer we will have the negative sign. In the answer it will carry negative sign. This is the point which we have to mark. Okay, now if you see here, when you have one positive and one negative, you must subtract, but the answer will take the sign of the bigger integer. Now what does this mean? You see, for example, when you have one negative integer, to add with one positive integer, when you have one negative integer and you have one positive integer, what do? We do the subtraction. Okay, minus plus, we will do the subtraction, but what sign we will use? Sign we will use of that number which is bigger one. Bigger one is 5, na? So we will put the sign of plus. Are you getting my point? Similarly, if you have negative integer 5, when you have negative integer 5 and positive integer 2, negative 5 and positive 2, so one negative and one positive, plus minus minus, we will do here minus, but sign we will put of greater number. Greater one is 5, na? So we will write here minus 3. All these 3 points we need to keep in mind while doing addition of integer. So what was the first point? First point is, when we have both the positive integers, we will do the addition. When we have both the positive integers, we will do the addition, and in the answer sign also will be positive. In the answer sign also will be positive. And second point is, when we have both the negative integers, we will do the addition. When we have both the negative integers, we will do the addition, but the sign we will put in our answer, that will be of minus. Okay, when both the integer are negative, we will add them for sure. After adding in the answer, we will put the sign of minus. Clear? And the third point is, when we have one integer positive and one integer negative, that time we will do minus, means in solution we will do minus, and the sign we will put whichever number is bigger. Whichever number is bigger. Bigger numbers sign we will put in our answer. Clear na? If your one integer is positive, two integers will be given there. Out of 2, if one is positive and one is negative, we will do the subtraction there. Two numbers we will subtract from each other. After subtracting, in the answer, which sign we will put? Sign we will put of that number, which one is bigger out of them. So these three rules, 1, 2 and 3, we have to keep in mind while doing addition in the integer. Once again we will discuss what is the first rule. First rule is both the number positive, solution we will do addition, sign also we will put of plus. When both the number negative, solution we will do of plus. Both the number are negative. You can see 4 is also negative and this is also negative. We will add the number. We will add the number, but after adding, in the answer we will put the sign of minus. Clear? And when one is positive, one is negative, that time what we will do? Solution we will do minus. One positive, one negative, solution we will do minus both the places, but sign we will put which one is bigger. If in the bigger number has plus sign, then answer we will put plus sign. If in the bigger number minus sign, answer we will put minus sign. This rule we have to keep in mind while solving additions in our integer.